Let me turn this around this way. Shit. Sorry. Okay, we're going to put this up a little bit. And we're going to do it. I think we're going to do it like this. See, y'all get to see the side you really don't want to see. Hey y'all, what is up? We have an unboxing today from Walmart. The box is kind of like heavy, so I'm not even going to attempt to lift it up. But at first, we're going to put the trash bag in the trash can because I had a full bag. 2 weeks worth. Don't hate, appreciate. Because when I break the box down, it's going to go in the trash can. So it's going to be a lot. Okay, so we got the trash bag in. So, okay, let's go ahead. Let's get into this unboxing. It's going to be a short unboxing, I think. Because this is just like 4 items. So, like I said, thank you, Walmart, for killing the tree for 4 items, which one is like 12 pounds, and that's the cat food. Oh, this tree. That's why I had to change the... Get another bag put in here. Okay. So we got coffee from Maxwell House. I just got another thing of coffee the other day. So, and my Atlas coffee has just been renewed. So, okay. And we have my Extra Vin for my nighttime. And my cinnamon, because I take it to lower my blood sugar. And it helps keep my blood sugar at a maintenance. And this was the big boy. They love Fancy Feast. No other cat food. This thing right here cost me $30-some. Thank you, Purina. And I just opened up another bag that I had in the thing for Morrison. My other kitty cats that I found, I have 3. I have 3 kitty cats. I found 2 more. In which I stay outside with them. They're not coming up to me just yet, but we're getting down to stairs. And I'd much rather have stairs than anything else in the world. I'm trying to break down this box. I'm trying to fold down this box. So, okay, got it. Okay, got him, got him, got him. And we're going to go ahead and put the other stuff like I did with my other Estroven that I use. And together. And my cinnamon. And together, which I counted up this morning, I got 11 more days, I think. But better to be safe than sorry. I got more cinnamon. Ah! See, these are all of the cinnamon that I had. And I'd much rather have enough than not have enough. Because you take them up to 3 times. You take them 3 times a day with meals. And with this, I only had like 3 more pills left. So what I do is I open this up. And I just put this in here. And we're good. Good for another month. 2 months. I wasn't sure. But this is 1500 mg per 3 caplets. And it supports sugar metabolism, which is amazeballs. And we just throw these away. So, got that strength. And y'all get to see me walk. Walk it out, walk it out. And I believe that's, well, I still got the Ajax, and Ajax will be delivered tomorrow, no, Wednesday, I think. I just ordered thing at Ajax. So, yeah, but that is it. And I did give me something from Temu, a little something from Temu. It's the portable washing machine. And a skirt, which I don't wear skirts, but summertime's coming, so. But also be the one to try it. I buy it so you don't have to. So I'll try the portable washing machine. Bless me. So I'm out. Deuces. Bye.